I've been out to the forces now, coming up to 4.5 years. So yeah, I've been coming here and I find it helps a lot to being around other veterans. It's not taking anything from people who try and help after you coming out, but I find veterans, other veterans understand you and get it a lot better because they've been there and done the same as you. Yeah, I still suffer from PTSD quite a lot, sleepless nights, and yeah, it's just an ongoing situation. I can't imagine what the old boys World War II. None of this helped. I can't imagine what they've gone through all the years. Without, they didn't have the training we had. 4 weeks, and they young boys just going out straight in. You do a lot of support. It's a lot. It's KF to combat, combat stress, help for heroes, SAFA, obviously Valley's veterans. Yeah, it's a lot. You do it is, it is a lot. But if you have any trouble, if you find yourself lonely in a house on your own, and drinking a lot, you just feel in order to definitely come to the Valley's veterans or a club near yourself and just come and talk to lads that have been there and older lads that have seen what we've seen basically, and it does help. It really does help. Get off your chest.